Hey everyone, real quick one here. We're going to look at number 16 in section 3.6. Find basically the derivative f prime of theta. Notice our independent variable is theta here, so you make sure you put your answer using the variable theta. Don't use x. If f of theta is e to the theta times this quantity here, 14 sine theta minus 13 tangent theta. So right away you can see we're going to use product rule. You could distribute the e to the theta through and then take the derivative, but then you'd have basically two product rules to use separately, so to speak, because you'd have e to the theta sine theta here, e to the theta tangent theta. You could do it that way, but we're going to basically kind of do both of those two product rules at once by simply treating this as our first function and everything in the parentheses as our second function. So remember how product rule works. I take the derivative of the first function times the second plus the first function times the derivative of the second. Derivative of the first, what's the derivative of e to the theta with respect to theta? Well, that's easy. It's just e to the theta. What's the derivative of 14 sine theta? That's 14 cosine theta, right? Derivative of sine theta is cosine theta. And minus what? 13. Derivative of tangent theta is secant squared theta. So you have to know all the derivatives of all 6 trig functions. It's important at this point. Okay, so that's basically the calculus step, and we're pretty much done just rewriting it out this way. I could factor out e to the theta, and I'm left with everything here. And this really can't be simplified in any way, so I would just leave it like that. That's fine. There's no way to use any trig identity to simplify this to any meaningful value that I would think. When you write it in Achieve now, sometimes they want the parentheses, right? Sine parentheses theta. We often write it without the parentheses because it is a function notation. So you might need to put it in that way in Achieve. Okay, so this was a real quick one, an easy one actually. Hopefully this is helpful for you.